What's going on, YouTube? So I just want to make a very quick update on Ethereum at the moment. It is currently 4 a.m. Central Standard Time, and we're looking at the 4-hourly ETH chart, and we are currently seeing a bounce on the 120-day moving average. So this is what I expected. I expected us to bounce here. Now, something I want to watch out for is we might end up getting rejected by the 20-day EMA here, or this blue line. We've been rejected by it before. We almost got rejected by it here, and we did back here. Acted as a little bit of a resistance here as well, but watch out for that. Other than that, there's really not a whole lot going on. I was really wanting to see that bounce to be able to take a trade. I'm currently in a trade at the moment. I just want to see how this plays out. I would really like us to see to test these highs that we've tried testing in the past here. We tested 3 or 4 times here. This $1,700 mark roughly. We want to go ahead and try and bust past that. The more times that we retest it, I think the larger the breakout will end up getting. So if we retest it 4, 3, 2 more times, maybe 5 more times, who knows, maybe 10. Who knows? I feel like each time the breakout is going to significantly get bigger, in my opinion. But then again, that's all just my opinion. So yeah, I would like to see us get back up to previous highs here on the 4-hourly chart at 1700. But other than that, there's really not a whole lot going on. The daily charts, I'm not honestly liking at the moment. We still have plenty to sell off to get down to the support line here and the EMA, as well as we have plenty of room to sell off to get down to this 120-day moving average, which is possible. Now, do remember, guys, that all of this momentum we had here was based off of the Federal Reserve news. So this is why it's very choppy, I guess. It's very sketchy to be in the market at the moment, in my opinion, which is why I am watching it very closely day by day. I didn't make a video yesterday because there wasn't a whole lot going on. Nothing really changed. It was just slowly selling off until today we got that confirmation of the bounce. And so that's what I was looking for there. But here, as we can see, we have quite a bit of room to move downwards. I'm going to see just how much of a downwards trend we could possibly see. We could see up to a 15% on the downside potentially, which definitely don't count that out. That is a very big possibility, as we are still relatively overextended on the RSI, currently sitting at just under 60, as well as the MACD is starting to lose confidence here as well. So we need to keep an eye on that. Other than that, that's really all I'm looking at. And of course, the weekly chart, we are still in a long-term grand scheme of things, whatever you want to call it. We are very far from the 120-day moving average. And then, as a reminder, just to remind everybody, at the 17.2 mark, right about here, 17.2, there is a lot of volume resistance in the market. So right about here, at this line right here, as you can see, we have already tried testing the 17.2 mark. I said this previously, the 17.2 mark, we have a lot of volume resistance, which is why we are getting these sort of rejections here on the top. So keep that in mind. At the 17.2 mark, we have a lot of volume resistance. Likely, in my opinion, if we were to break above that, I would believe that a lot of people have limit buy orders right here. And so as we break above that, we could potentially see an even higher bull move, just based off of people having buy orders up here. Or there's also potentially people that have a lot of sell orders up here at the 17.2 mark. As we know, there could be even more higher, a little bit higher up. But of course, I do think that we may potentially try and run up and test this again. Not too sure about the downside here. Well, we already, as I just said, possibly 15%, but we have tested the 17.2 mark multiple times. I think we're gonna try and do it again here. I don't necessarily think that we will pull on back here to the 120-day moving average, but it is a possibility. and that is why I'm being very careful with my trades. I'm not overextending myself, and I'm being very diligent in doing all of my research that I possibly can. And so with that, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. If you found value in this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, maybe comment down below what you liked, what you didn't like. Yeah, let me know your thoughts. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and see you guys next time.